Howdy sir, how you doing today? So give me your intro a little bit. Give me your name.
Jerry Richardson. Richardson Tree Service.
So say it on here. Look it in here and say your name and number so that people can call you.
Jerry Richardson, Richardson Tree Service, 850-0577. Thank you.
Wonderful. There we go. Nice gentleman. Good job. For truck and trailer sales, Road Boss at 405-232-1200, 1300 East Reno, OKC, OK 73117. Jerry's Tractor Work, 850-0577 for cleanup, hauling, tree trimming. Yeah, call him up. Have your place cleaned up.